This is AMS Protractor's tips and tricks. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to set up the multiple supplier catalog lookup. We have a great feature in Protractor within the catalog lookup that lets you search up to 3 suppliers and your own inventory for a specific part simultaneously. This is a great way to quickly compare prices and availability from your top suppliers. To do this, go to the Setup button, then search or navigate to the Workstation Setup section. On the first screen, under the General tab, in the Catalog Lookup subsection, click the drop-down for number of suppliers to be searched simultaneously and set it to 3. Also, make sure the checkbox just below is also checked. This will add your Inventory tab on Catalog Lookups as well. Your Catalog Lookup should now look like mine here. 3 suppliers and your Inventory tab. Does the specific part you're looking for not come from your top 3 suppliers? Just click on the 3rd Supplier tab and you can use the drop-down to access any supplier in your list. This should make finding the right part at the best price a quick and easy task.